Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to show you guys a really cool device that I really wish I had a couple of weeks ago when I had a garbage disposal that was stopped up. But this is an industrial endoscope. Now this thing is so cool. It has internal battery, so you'll be able to charge this guy up. Here's your power button right here. This turns it on. You have buttons right here on the side for magnification. You also have the ability to increase or decrease the lighting. You can adjust the color output of the device from black and white back to color. You can also switch the direction of the video feed, which is really nice. Now, simple design, guys. Underneath here, you have your USB-C for charging this up. You have a reset button as well underneath this nice little section here. This is rubberized, so it should help keep it, internally dry. This has an IP65 rating. Now, this comes with some additional accessories. Let me show you guys those. So you have these little clips here that you can clip onto it. You get quite a few of these in the box. And basically what these are little aids. So you have one that's a magnet. You have one that's kind of like a little spring. And then you have one that's also a little hook, for picking things up that might get stuck in the drain that you could pull out. Now, of course, it comes with your USB-A to USB-C cable. And it comes with your starter manual that's going to walk you through all of the features. All right, so I'm going to show you guys quickly how I would use this in the kitchen if I needed to see something. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so it comes with these nice little Velcro straps. I suggest keeping those because those will come in handy over time. It's just going to make it easier to keep, the cable under control. Now you guys see we have the little LED light here. You can adjust this little LED light 60, 80, 100%. So what we're going to do here is we're going to drop this guy down into the sink so you guys can kind of get an idea. Now this is very flexible. I'm going to push this down into my garbage disposal and I can start to look around inside. I can see if there's anything that is blocking. Now right now the light I think is a little too bright. So I'm going to bring the light intensity down a touch inside of the garbage disposal. You guys see that? So like I said, something like this really comes in handy, working with computers, working with, your home plumbing, locating loose wires in a wall or something like that. This is really, really going to be an excellent little device for you guys to take a look at. So hopefully this video has been helpful to help you guys decide on something like this. Like I said, this would have been an ideal product for me to have a couple of weeks ago when this garbage disposal was stopped up, to be able to get down there and see what was the culprit. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this. I want to thank the brand for sending this out for me to take a look at. All right, guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace. I'm out.